What if everything you built disappeared overnight? No millions, no reputation, no safety net, just $75,000, and your mindset. Most people would panic. Most people would chase hype, gamble on trends, and hope for a miracle. But Warren Buffett wouldn't. And today, I want to tell you why. Not just from an investing point of view, but from a mindset, a discipline, and a long-term vision that separates people who struggle forever from people who quietly build wealth over time. Because this video isn't just about money. It's about how you think when you start over. And if you're someone who's rebuilding, restarting, or trying to stack income streams from scratch, this message is for you. Here's the biggest lie most people believe. I need more money to start. No. What you need is clarity, patience, and a system. Buffett has always said that investing isn't about intelligence, it's about temperament. If he had $75,000 in 2026, he wouldn't rush. He wouldn't flex. He wouldn't follow noise. He would slow down and let math do the heavy lifting. And that lesson applies to life, not just investing. In 2026, the world is loud. AI stocks, crypto pumps, get-rich-quick schemes all over social media. But Buffett would do the opposite of what most people do. He would avoid hype, avoid emotional decisions, avoid chasing trends he doesn't understand. Instead, he would focus on boring, consistent, proven strategies. And boring is powerful, because boring compounds. If Buffett had $75,000, this is the mindset behind the strategy. Not financial advice, but philosophy. He would likely put the majority into strong, cash-generating companies, invest consistently in broad market index funds, keep a portion in cash for opportunity, not fear. Why? Because wealth is built by owning value, not chasing excitement. And the same principle applies when building skills, businesses, or income streams. Buffett's real secret isn't stock picking. It's time, plus consistency, small gains, repeated daily, over years. That's how $75,000 becomes $150,000, $150,000 becomes $300,000. $300,000 becomes freedom, and this is where mindset comes in. Most people quit too early. I didn't start with privilege. I didn't start with perfect conditions. I started with pain, setbacks, and survival mode. There were times when all I had was faith, discipline, and a decision to not give up. That's why I created my blueprint. From struggling to stacking, my CEO blueprint for building income streams. Because stacking income isn't about luck. It's about learning skills that pay, again and again. Buffett invests in businesses. I teach people to become the business. That's why CEO Mindset Mastery exists. We help students with homework, essays, projects, writing tasks, and professional documents, scripts for YouTube videos, shorts, TikToks, and Reels, voiceovers for faceless channels, content creation support for people building online income. If you're trying to pass school, start content creation, build faceless YouTube or TikTok channels, create scripts without stress. All links are in the description. Money follows structure. Structure follows mindset. If you don't train your mind to delay gratification, stay consistent. Learn instead of quit, no amount of money will save you. That's why CEO Mindset Mastery isn't just services. It's a mindset shift. Make sure you check out my TikTok, my Instagram, my blog, my WhatsApp channel. All links are in the description. I share daily motivation, behind-the-scenes lessons, income-building strategies, real-life mindset shifts. Now listen closely. Every video, I watch the comments. One lucky subscriber who likes the video, shares it, stays active in the comments, watches all the way through, will get a shout-out on this channel. So stay tuned for the next video to see who that lucky person is. And here's something even bigger. Once every year, One loyal subscriber who consistently likes, comments, shares, watches fully will get free access to my CEO Blueprint plus a major shout-out on this channel. Loyalty gets rewarded here. Also, don't miss this video right here. How I survived life's pain and still rose, my emotional untold story. If you've ever felt broken, tired, or underestimated, that video is for you. If Warren Buffett had $75,000 in 2026, he wouldn't rush. He would trust discipline over excitement, consistency over shortcuts, mindset over money, and so should you. If this video inspired you, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Share this with someone who needs it, because here at CEO Mindset Mastery, we don't just talk success, we build it. Step by step. I'll see you in the next video. Sometimes life doesn't break you all at once. Sometimes it does it slowly, quietly, until one day you wake up and realize the life you once dreamed of feels far away. You look at your bank account. You look at your past mistakes. You look at all the time that slipped through your fingers, and a question whispers inside your heart, did I miss my chance? This is the place many people are standing right now. Not poor, not rich, just tired, scared, and unsure of the future. And that's why this story matters. Because it isn't really about Warren Buffett. It's about what you do when you're forced to start over. Picture this: a quiet room. A man sits by a window, staring out into the night. Outside, the world is loud, markets moving, people chasing money, dreams being built and destroyed every second. But inside, everything is still. The man is Warren Buffett. Not the billionaire the world knows, just a man with a lifetime of experience and $75,000 left to his name. No safety net, no empire, no applause, just a single choice: panic or think. Most people in his position would rush. They would chase risky investments. They would try to turn that money into something big as fast as possible. But Buffett would do something very different. He would wait. He would pull out his notebook. He would begin to study. He would search not for hype, but for value. He knows something most people forget when life gets hard. You don't get rich by moving fast. You get rich by moving right. So he would take that $75,000 and place it where it could grow quietly, in businesses that pay him to be patient. And while others gamble, he compounds. Days turn into months, months turn into years. No headlines, no bragging, just growth. Slow, steady, unstoppable. And here's the truth people don't want to hear. It isn't talent that makes people successful. It isn't luck. It isn't even intelligence. It's discipline when no one is watching. It's believing in something you can't see yet. It's staying when quitting feels easier. And this is where I speak to you. You might not have $75,000, you might have $75, or just a dream. But what you do have is something just as powerful: a choice. A choice to give up, or a choice to start again. You don't need perfect conditions. You need consistent action. You don't need approval. You need belief. And even when it feels like the world is against you, your future is still waiting. The moral of the story: the money is never the miracle. The miracle is the mindset. When you stop rushing and start building, everything changes. So if today you feel small, remember this: every empire starts small. Every success story begins with someone who almost quit, but didn't. And one day, someone will hear your story and think, if they did it, maybe I can too. And that's when you'll know you made it. To everyone watching this right now, to the ones who are tired, to the ones who feel stuck, to the ones who keep trying but don't see results yet, I need you to hear this clearly. You are not behind. You are being prepared. Life has a strange way of shaping us through struggle. It doesn't do it because it hates us. It does it because it is building something inside of us that comfort never could. Some of you have survived things that should have broken you. Some of you grew up without support. Some of you had to become strong before you were ever allowed to be soft. And yet, here you are, still dreaming, still hoping, still trying. That alone makes you powerful. You see, the world only celebrates the finish line. But I celebrate the people who are still running when their legs are tired. The ones who keep showing up even when no one is clapping. The ones who still believe even when nothing seems to be working. The ones who refuse to give up on the future they see in their heart. That's you. I know some days you feel invisible. I know some nights you lie awake wondering if it will ever change. I know the fear that creeps in when money is low, when opportunities feel far, and when life feels heavy. But hear me. Your current situation is not your final destination. You may not be where you want to be yet, but you are no longer where you used to be. And every step forward, no matter how small, is proof that you are still moving. You don't have to move fast. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to keep going. Success is not about who starts with the most. It's about who refuses to quit. And I want you to know something deeply. There is a version of you in the future who made it through this, who didn't give up, who kept pushing when it was hard, who stayed consistent when it would have been easier to stop. That version of you is waiting for you to catch up. So when life tries to convince you that you are too late, too tired, too broken, or too far behind, remember this. Every great story has a chapter where everything feels impossible. But that chapter is not the end. This is where the comeback begins. And I'm proud of you for still being here, for still believing, for still trying. Keep going. Your breakthrough is closer than you think.